Welcome to the N English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, September 9, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hi David, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my brain. Got a ton of calls lined up.
I feel you. I've got a big meeting with the team later.
Oh, busy day ahead then. Hey, did you hear about that new trade deal in Europe?
Yeah, I saw something about it. What did you read?
They're making it easier for countries to trade stuff. Could mean more business for us sales guys.
That's a good point. It might speed up getting products to clients.
Yeah, and maybe even cheaper prices. More deals for me to close.
I hope it works out. It could help with my project timelines too.
For sure. More trade, more money in the pocket.
It's a big move for Europe. They really need this kind of teamwork.
Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work, right? Let's see if it boosts my sales numbers.
It's more than just sales. Trade like this helps everyone in the long run.
True, I guess. If we get more clients, I'm happy.
It's about building stronger ties. Europe could use some good news.
Yeah, no kidding. Hey, speaking of new things, did you hear about that app for work?
Which one? There are so many apps these days.
It's called Team Sync. It's for chatting and sharing files with the team.
Oh, I think I saw that. Does it look easy to use?
Yeah, super simple. I'm so done with endless email chains.
I get that. It could help keep projects organized.
Exactly. No more searching for lost files or missed messages.
I think it's a great idea. We need better tools for teamwork.
Anything to make my day less of a mess. I'm downloading it right now.
Me too. Let's see if it saves us some time.
Bet it will. I'm tired of wasting hours on stupid stuff.
It's not just about time. Good tools make work less stressful.
Yeah. Less stress is always a win. Hey, do you think the whole team will use it?
I hope so. It only works if everyone joins in.
True. I'll tell my sales buddies to check it out.
Good idea. I'll mention it in my meeting later.
Cool, let's make it happen. Oh, and one more thing. Did you hear about that new movie?
No? What movie are you talking about?
It's called Office Chaos. It's a comedy about life in an office.
Oh, that sounds funny. Is it like our office?
Probably. Think messy desks, bad coffee, and crazy bosses.
I can relate to that. I might go see it with some friends.
Same here. I need a good laugh after a long work week.
It's nice to have movies about normal life. It feels so real.
Totally. Maybe it'll show someone spilling coffee like I did last time.
Haha, that was a funny moment. I hope the movie is just as good.
For sure. Hey, do you think they'll show annoying meetings in it?
I bet they will. Meetings are the worst sometimes.
Haha, yeah. Endless talks and no action. I'd watch that scene.
Me too. It'd be like watching our own lives on screen.
Exactly. Maybe they'll have a character like me always on the phone.
Or one like me, always making lists and plans.
That'd be perfect. We'd be movie stars.
I'd watch that. It's fun to laugh at office stuff.
Yeah, it's the little things. Like when the printer jams again.
Oh, don't remind me. That happens way too often here.
Tell me about it. Hey, when does the movie come out?
I'm not sure. I'll check online later.
Cool, let me know. I'm up for a movie night.
Will do. It's nice to have something fun to look forward to.
For sure. Work can't be all stress, right?
Right, we need a balance.
Hey, speaking of balance, I've got to get back to my desk soon.
Same here. My meeting is coming up.
All right, let's catch up again soon. Have a good day.
Thanks, David. You too.
See you later. Don't work too hard.
Haha, I'll try not to. Take care.
You too. Let's chat about that app tomorrow.
Sounds good. See you at the coffee machine.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.